Hey, this is Mateo, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to get a full video package with youtubecreatorai.com. Come to the ideation suite, and you have a couple options here, okay? You can put in your own custom video topic, you can come to the topic scout, or you can come to the evergreen ideas. I'm going to do this for my channel, but keep in mind you can prompt this for any topic or subject, okay? So I'm going to put in celebrity homes for sale 2026. Actually, let's just put celebrity homes for sale. This is an updated trending topic scout, so it knows it's 2026. We don't have to specify that. So you can also just click whatever your custom niche is. So give this a little bit of time, okay? It has a specific playbook to follow. It's going to take about 45 seconds or so, but it's going to give you, why it's trending, an angle you can take, and how to film it. Any items that you like, you can always save them to your scratch pad here, okay? All right, so here it goes. It's going to give us rank number 1. The Fresh Prince Mansion is finally for sale. So this is a great topic for my particular channel. Inside Mark Zuckerberg's billionaire bunker. The Beckhams just sold their penthouse. The Norris Nuts are selling their Bondi house. That's great for YouTube. Bill Gates is downsizing. So these are all great 5 updated topics here. I'm going to go ahead and let's go ahead and select this concept here. How this ideation suite works is not going to let you move forward until you select a concept. So now it's going to unlock the next step here. We can do a couple things. We can put in kind of our channel niche to get a baseline audience, or we can start generating some hooks for this particular video. So let's do both here. I'm going to go ahead and put celebrity, real estate, and lifestyles as the audience persona, and then I'm going to go ahead and generate some hooks as well. All these tools we're going to be using, especially with the hooks and things here, are going to be using a live Google search to verify the accuracy of any items, and it's going to follow a specific playbook here. So we have Lifestyle Lucas. It gives us some strategic goals, what this particular viewer may be looking at in videos, or what they don't like and what they're looking for, some ways to keep them watching videos, and then some content viral ideas here. Okay, so let's go ahead and save this profile to notes. Our hooks are still taking a little bit of time here, so be patient with that. If it freezes up, just go ahead and run it again. Okay, but since we already did the audience persona here, we can go ahead and unlock the next step, because I'm going to actually use this for a full voiceover. So we can get a script outline or generate a full script here. So the first thing I'm going to do, let's go ahead and generate a script outline. So if you're on camera, this is going to be great because it'll give you an intro, some points to be sure that you cover, and then an outro as well. So it's going to give us the hook here that we can use, an introduction, some points that we can be sure that we cover, and then what we can do here is expand this to the full script, and then it's going to go ahead and basically carry over that outline to a full script here. I'm going to do kind of a sensational style, and let's go ahead and do a full video and generate a full script. This is going to only really give us about a 3 to 4 minute video. We also have an option for a short or a reel as well. And once again, it's going to take a little bit of time, so be patient with it. So it's going to give us a full script here inside the 270 million fortress. Why Zuckerberg just finished his doomsday bunker. So it kind of gives us a title, and we can get to the title generator. It's going to give us an opening hook here. It's going to give us a visual reference, just something that we can kind of look at. And here's the voiceover here. Okay, so it gives us scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4, and scene 5. So we can go ahead and save that full script to notes. We can go ahead and sync this to our voice lab as well. Actually, I shouldn't have done. I think it already carried over there. So let's go ahead and clear this script and sync to Voice Lab. All right, it's not working exactly how it's supposed to, but that's okay. That's okay. This is why I kind of wanted to run through this here. So let's copy the full script data, and we can go ahead and put that in our voiceover. We can build a visual director storyboard, so let's go ahead and build that as well. And while we're doing that, let's go ahead and clean up this script here, because really all we need is the narration, and you're kind of watching me here kind of build it as I go. We did some new updates here with the voiceover lab and some of these extra features. So let's go ahead and look at the visual director here. So it kind of gives us, kind of a vibe to what we look at for this video. And once again, this kind of depends on how you're doing your videos, if you're on camera or if you're doing voiceover. So it kind of gives us what we can look at for our setup here. Let's go ahead and just save those as well, just so we have them. And in the meantime, let's clean up this voiceover, because I want to show you guys this and see how this works. And so with this voiceover lab on the front end, we have the just studio tools, so you can definitely just go in there as well and just add your voiceover script. So let's go ahead and do this gentleman voice here and segment script. Okay, so it's going to basically give us 5 different segments that we can generate the voice on here. So let's go ahead and generate just the first voiceover, so we can get an idea of what it sounds like. So if you don't like this first segment voice, you could try a different voiceover here. And once again, give this just a minute as well. It's translating this voice, this text into voice. So let's go ahead and play this preview here.
For years, it was just a rumor behind a 6-foot stone wall. But today, the 1,400-acre Colau Ranch is complete. This isn't just a vacation home. It is a $270 million statement of survival. At the heart of the estate sit 2 central mansions. They span 57,000 square feet and house 30 bedrooms and 30 bathrooms. But the real story is what lies beneath the floorboards. A massive underground tunnel system connects these residences to a 5,000 square foot subterranean bunker. This isn't a basement, it's a military-grade fallout shelter. We're talking about a library, a mechanical room, and blast-proof steel doors.
All right, so that looks great. So you can download that audio clip for the sake of time. I'm not going to go through every single one here. So now we can move on to the next step. So now we're going to go ahead and generate some titles here. So we already have our concept that's been carried over. This even concept that's as its own would be a great title as well. And then we can run down here to generate our description and keywords. Once again, these are going to take a little bit of time because it's doing a live Google search. It's going to verify it has a specific playbook that it's supposed to follow here. So we have title number 1, why Mark Zuckerberg just bought a second billionaire bunker. So any of these titles that you like, you can save them all. So I'm going to save all of them here, because with YouTube you can do some A/B testing. 7 leaked features of Zuckerberg's 2026 doomsday bunker, and it's going to give us a tip, an analysis. And this is another great title that can kind of, the 1% are moving underground, Zuckerberg's terrifying plan. So, if your script or your video kind of matches up with that title, you can use those ones as well. So it's going to give us a full description here. It's going to be separated. If you want to say put in kind of a placeholder For your social links, it'll do that here, or your affiliate links. You do have to add them, but then once you copy this, it'll be saved here, so you can just copy it straight to your YouTube video. It's going to give us our keywords. So we have those, going to give us a suggested file names after we get the video done. It's going to give us a suggested file name that we can keep it under. Now we can generate a thumbnail concept. Obviously, with a thumbnail like this, I would try to get a picture, aerial view of the actual bunker, and then put an actual picture of Mark Zuckerberg in front of it. So this thumbnail generator runs in like a two-step process. It's going to give you kind of the prompt and the concept. So, you know, dramatic high contrast X-ray cross-section of his, you know, his Hawaiian estate, and then with his new mansion here. Okay. So we can save those to notes in the underground bunker city. We can save the, these are going to give us some thumbnail captions, and then we can also create a thumbnail as well. One thing to keep in mind with celebrity or real life images, sometimes some of these safety filters may block it. So you want to run these at a pop art or a modern comic. If it does block it, we can definitely run it again. So this kind of gives us an example, you know, thumbnail. We have some options here. You can change the, you know, text font. You can change a couple of these captions here. If you don't want a caption, you can remove them. If you want to change some of the outline colors, you can do that as well. So let's download that image. So we have that saved. So now we can go on to a few other kind of extras here. If we want to create some community posts, this is something great. Once you have a video done, you want to have some community posts that are lined up, so you can kind of promote the video or tease it to your current audience. So these are some, you know, extra steps here, but we basically have the full video package. So really all it's up to you is to kind of do the actual the on-camera video, or if you're doing voiceover videos like I do now, then you have to do the media to match up with the voiceover segments, and that's kind of the next stage that we're working on here. So now we can do the content expansion. So you know, once again, this is our ideation suite, so this is going to give you everything you need for your YouTube video. You know, it gives us some community posts. It's going to give us some kind of ideas that once we have that video done, if we want to do another long form about this topic, or here's some kind of how we can repurpose this into some viral shorts or clip our current videos. And then at the final step, which we don't have to do now, is if you want to translate any of these notes into another language, you can do that also. So now we can review our complete production brief. So this is going to give us all of our video titles here, our file name, our video description, our keywords, our thumbnail, our video hooks, our full script. I didn't save our script outline, so I need to go back and do that as well. It has our full script, and then it has our audience persona. We have to save our content expansion, but our community post. So anything that we just saved is going to be here ready to go. We can export that to our scratch pad. We can kind of go back. Let's go back to the production here to make sure that we have everything that we needed for this video. So check it out, YouTube Creator AI. It's totally free. Once those are done here, you can export this to your scratch pad, and this is going to save on your local notes. So you have everything from the YouTube video here. So check it out, YouTube Creator AI. It's totally free.